Hey YouTube, Marko with Marko's Garage. Today we're picking up the floor for my 1956 Pontiac gasser. It came in over at Caps and we're going to go grab it, so let's go. Okay, here we are, we're at Caps and let's go in. So here it is, Caps. Stands for Canadian Automotive Paint Supplies. And I'm going to go see Stuart inside right now and get my panels. So if you ever need paint, supplies, anything like that, come to Caps here in Edmonton. They'll treat you right. Hey Stuart, how's it going? Huh? Podcast. YouTube video. Here we are in the back, and this is my floor here. This is entirely one piece here. I'll show you that at a different angle. And here's the trunk section here. It's got the spare tire well, and on the back side it's got all the new gas tank straps. I could have used those when I did the tank on my other Pontiac. And it's got the studs here and everything in it for the car, although I don't know if I'm going to put the factory fuel tank in this car. It might get a fuel cell, so I might be able to use those straps on my other one, but I'll have to go in the car. And then these floors are actually made by Dynacor here, so they're stamped out of the same plant that stamps the Dynacor floors. So if you notice, I'll just flip this around. So if you notice, there's no seam in the middle of that floor. It's one piece stamping all the way out to the inner rocker panels, and you have all the braces in there, and that'll mate up to that trunk floor and then go right into the car. Okay, so we're just got to go around back and go to the loading bay and pick up that floor, put it in the back of the truck, hopefully get it all in one load, and go drop it off. Back right in there. We got it all loaded up in the back of the truck. Let's hit the road and take it home. I won't be able to install it today, but at least we got the metal for the car. Isn't that beautiful? That's the floor. All one piece, inner rockers. I got new outer rockers that go to that, pinch welds to this. It's going to be exciting. As you saw, I just picked up the floors. I stored those floors in a neighbor's garage. He had a big garage there, and I just rented a space to put them there for a couple of months. As you can see, it's still snow on the ground, so I'm not putting them in this car right away, but we're going to be getting to them. This is the rocker boxes, the outer rockers. They go here. You can see these are nice, complete rockers. They go right up to that floor. Got the inner rocker, and even the front fender mount. So these are from Dan Chuck. This is the left-hand side, 55 Chevy. They have a return here. This is a Pontiac that has the same return on the lower rocker. 56 and 7, these are more flat. So anyway, these are the rocker boxes. Thought I'd show you part of the video. If you like these videos, please subscribe. We're going to get this car going, and ring that bell for notifications, and have a great day.